Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete search history on Google Map. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So the first thing we need to do to get started to delete our search history on Google Map is to simply open up the Google Map app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select your profile icon in the top right of the app. This will open up a new menu in Google Maps where then we just need to scroll down and select settings. Once the settings open, scroll down to account settings and under here you will see map history. Select that. This will open up the browser within Google Map and from here you can delete our map search history by scrolling down just a little bit to where you see today, and right above today you will see a drop down that says delete. Select that drop down and then in here we can decide how much of our search history we want to delete, either the last hour, the last day, all the time, or maybe a custom range. So select your desired time frame here. I am going to do all time, and then you will need to do is select delete. Once you do that, it will say deletion complete, and now you can select done in the top left. But you will notice when we go back to Google Map, the search button, those search are still here. So for some reason the searches will remain in the app, but they are deleted the Google server. And currently the only way I found to actually remove this recent search item from Google Map is to actually uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So I will go ahead and do that very quickly. Now when I open up Google Map after installing it, you can see that I have no recent searches. This is just displaying things that I have saved on Google Maps. So that's how you delete your search history in Google Map on your iPhone or Android phone. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.